So I said I wouldn't touch this one. I said I was going to stay away from it, but I am the high bidder on this cute little Audi. And we haven't heard it run. We haven't anything. Bought it sight unseen. Now, this video may never even be released because this is on approval. It's on approval, and I want it for $1,200 before fees. So we'll see. 158,000 miles, a little high, but I don't know, for $1,200. It says it's a run and drive. It says it's a donation. I guess we'll see. Waiting on the guy to come out here and jump start it now and find out if this was a good deal or not. But there's still a chance we won't win it. The bid still has to be approved, and you know, we just don't know if that's going to happen or not. I do know when I looked in here at the timing belt, though, it looked like it was a little bit cracked up. Yeah, the timing belt is definitely going to need replaced on this at some point. All right, so they just counter offered me, and we just got the jump. So this is interesting. They countered me at $1,500, and I declined. I stayed at 12. I guess we'll see if they're going to be willing to just let this thing go. I mean, at $1,200, I don't think you can beat this, and with fees probably around 15 out the door. I don't think that's bad at all. I think it's got what are those, Koenigs wheels, the tires. I mean, I don't know if they all match, but the tires appear to all be in really good shape. Yeah, it's got Falcons all the way around. We got good tires. The window back here needs a little work to be resealed. Nothing that appears to be too bad. What doesn't make a lot of sense is the windows don't work. None of them. This window, nor the other two windows work. Nor does the top go up and down either. You don't even hear the motor turning on that. But as far as like just mechanicals, the engine sounds solid, man. She's quiet. There's good pressure on the cooling system. Oil looks fine. I don't see any leaks. It shifts into gear forwards and backwards. It's interesting. So I guess let's see if we win that bid. What do you think, Tim? You like it? It's all right. Yeah, not too shabby. Check it out. Copart's got their very own license plate on this pretty badass car hauler truck of theirs. So, drum roll, $1,875 out the door for a car that we don't know much of anything about other than it's a donation, and the windows don't work. Yeah, I'm nervous. All right, here she is. The Audi Cabriolet 1.8 turbo. Thanks, man. I appreciate it.
That topping, I guess it's not latched or whatever.
The windows don't work.
Yeah, and the top either.
Okay.
So it's going off.
Okay. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. Shear?
Shear, shade, close.
How's it going? All right, we had to cut the video off there because some members from the corporate office came out and wanted to talk with me about my videos. So great guys, very friendly, very helpful. But you know, I don't know for sure if we're going to be able to keep recording out here after talking to them. We're going to have to see how that goes, I guess. But for now, let's see if this thing will drive home. It seems to be doing fine. There's 45 miles an hour. It says the roof isn't closed, so that's concerning, I suppose. It seems to be doing all right. Yeah, she's driving fine. So far, so good. Let's get her home. All right, so I do notice that the top warning light is on. I hear the top rattling a little bit. I've pushed on it. It seems secure, at least somewhat secure. Well, safe to say she made it home. The battery may be toast on this one, but hey, it's a running, driving Audi A4. Cool little 1.8 turbo. I think this has a CVT transmission. That's something I'm going to definitely need to check into. It feels like a CVT. It doesn't feel like it's got shift points like a normal car. Nothing wrong with the shifting or anything. The RPMs seem to be fine. Just to me, it feels like a CVT transmission. I don't know. But yeah, there she is. We're going to put the battery on charge and see if we can get the battery to take a charge. Excuse me, my voice, I just ate. That battery doesn't look too particularly good to me, but man, what a deal. Now, I guess the next thing to do is to go online and try to figure out what's going on with all the electronics. Everything seems to work other than the windows, the top, the trunk, and that's it. The top doesn't work, the windows don't work, the locks work, the keyless entry, everything seems to work except for, oh yeah, the interior lights. No interior lights, no power windows, and the power top. So if you've got any idea what might be wrong with it, you know, hit me up in the comments section and give me some suggestions. We did find two $2 bills in the center console here. And oh look, there's a ring. We got lots of quarters. So we've already made some of our money back, right? Yeah, we got lots of quarters in here, man. Tons of quarters. Card. Broken light bulb. Some napkins. Yeah, well, I didn't expect to find anything too valuable in here, but that's going to be it. I appreciate you guys for taking time to watch this video. If you enjoy this content, give it a big thumbs up. If you think it sucks, give it a big thumbs down. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I certainly appreciate it. And stay tuned. We'll try to come back tomorrow with another video, either on this car, maybe we'll take it out for a drive, or, spoiler alert, we want a second car. And I'm nervous about the second car. I'm not gonna lie. I was nervous about this one, but now I'm nervous about the second car. So tune in. We'll probably do that tomorrow. Let's do car number 2 reveal tomorrow. We'll see what you guys think of it. And fingers crossed it's gonna be a decent car. Stay safe out there, everybody, and I will catch you tomorrow in the next one. All right, well, we made it to Denver. Never mind, she don't want to be in the video.
I was already on it.
Jeez. All right, I wonder if we got to pay for parking out here, or if we don't have to because it's the weekend. Hell, are these things supposed to have screens on them or something? Paid parking. No time limit from 10 p.m. to 8 a.m. I guess I better read a damn sign.
Sunday and holidays.
Okay, so we don't have to park today. No. We don't have to pay. Awesome. Awesome. It's a beautiful place, isn't it? I guess I kind of expected Denver was going to be okay, I don't think I expected Denver to be as nice as it is. This is a trendy place. Beautiful architecture too. I love the mountains. They got mountains everywhere out here.
Which way?
I don't know. Which way do you think we should go? Which way do you want to go? Let's turn left. Let's go this way. We need to find something to eat. We haven't really eaten today. And it's already getting dark.
I had to walk to McDonald's to get.
Well, she had to walk to McDonald's because I was busy editing videos for YouTube. Some people appreciate that. What's up there?
Walk up. Oh, that's pretty.
Yeah, this whole place is gorgeous. There's my bank.
Starbucks.
Chase has a Starbucks? Hell yeah. Let's go get a loan. I need some money. Oh man, I like this place. Let's go up here and see what's up here. Oh, this is like a park for stoners to sit around and smoke and get high. Hell yeah. Yeah, any of my viewers from the Colorado area, man, I love you guys. Love your city too. Look at this. This place is gorgeous. I could live here. Could you live here? No? I think I could. I love it. Look at this. We got this from Two-Fisted Mario's Pizza. Shit, it flipped over. Whatever. Look at that. And yes, pineapples absolutely go on a pizza. Let's see that that pepperoni. Man, love Denver.